Imagine a world where cleaning is no longer a chore, but a pleasant, quick, and efficient experience. A world where you are no longer tethered by a cord, where you can effortlessly reach every corner of your home. This world is now within your reach thanks to the wireless stick vacuum. If you are interested, feel free to click on the link in the description now to learn more about its unique features, see the hundreds of reviews from satisfied customers, and order yours today. This wireless stick vacuum is ideal for families, pet owners, and active individuals looking for a quick, efficient, and versatile cleaning solution. It is perfect for those who appreciate the convenience of a powerful wireless vacuum to keep their home spotless with ease. Equipped with an exceptional power of 450 watts and a suction capacity of 33 kPa, this revolutionary wireless stick vacuum transforms the way you clean your home. Imagine being able to vacuum all surfaces, from marble floors to plush carpets, including wooden furniture, without any worries. The VAKYOU vacuum promises a spotless home in record time. But that's not all. The VAKYOU vacuum also stands out for its versatility. Thanks to its 6-in-1 design, it transforms in the blink of an eye into a handheld vacuum ideal for your car or hard-to-reach places. Its adjustable telescopic tube allows you to clean ceilings and underneath furniture without bending or stretching. And guess what? You can own this product with just one click on the link in the description and see hundreds of extremely satisfied customer reviews. User comfort is at the heart of the design of the wireless stick vacuum. Its intuitive touchscreen displays the battery status and operating mode at a glance. The built-in LED light illuminates dark areas, allowing you to track down every speck of dust. Let's talk about battery life, a crucial aspect for any wireless vacuum. The vacuum integrates a powerful 7-cell 2500 mAh battery, providing up to 55 minutes of use in standard mode. No more interruptions to recharge in the middle of cleaning. The 1.5-liter dust container capacity is another major advantage. You won't have to empty it constantly, making cleaning even faster and more enjoyable. In addition, the high-efficiency 6-stage filtration system ensures healthier air in your home. By choosing the VAKYOU vacuum, you are opting for a device designed to last. The replaceable accessories, washable HEPA filter, and tangle-free brush ensure lasting performance and easy maintenance. So, don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to see the hundreds of customer reviews attesting to its impressive quality and to order yours at the best price and revolutionize your daily life. To top it all off, VAKYOU provides you with quality customer service available 24/7 and a 24-month warranty. You are never alone with your VAKYOU. In summary, the wireless stick VAKYOU is much more than just a cleaning device. It is a loyal companion that simplifies your daily life, frees up your time, and allows you to enjoy a clean and healthy home. Now let's recap its advantages as well as its disadvantages. Advantage number 1, power and efficiency. 450W motor and 33 kPa suction capacity, ideal for deep cleaning. Advantage number 2, runtime. 7-cell battery of 2500 mAh, providing up to 55 minutes of use in standard mode. Advantage number 3, versatility. 6-in-1 design, convertible into a handheld vacuum with various attachments to clean different surfaces. Advantage number 4, ease of use. Intuitive touchscreen, adjustable telescopic tube, and LED light for better visibility. Advantage number 5, large dust container. 1.5-liter capacity, reducing the frequency of emptying. Advantage number 6, effective filtration. 6-stage filtration system, capturing up to 99.99% of particles. Advantage number 5, simple maintenance. Washable HEPA filter and replaceable accessory for extended lifespan. Advantage number 8, customer support. 24/7 customer service and a 24-month warranty. Now let's move on to a few disadvantages. Disadvantage number 1, charging time. It requires 4 to 5 hours to charge, which can be long for some users. Disadvantage number 2, weight. At 4.4 kilos, it may be considered relatively heavy for some people, especially when cleaning ceilings or high areas. So, what are you waiting for? Click on the link in the description to order the VAKYOU vacuum at the best price. Discover the hundreds of reviews from satisfied customers and start your journey towards a clean and comfortable home. Your VAKYOU vacuum is waiting for you.